Rhythm is everywhere. You can pretty much find it in any and everything. All you have to do is look for it. Search it out. Find it in the simplest of things and the most complex of things. But it is around us. You can find it in water dripping, leaves brushing on a tree, maybe just someone's footsteps. So I sought out to find these rhythms, these hidden songs, these hidden beats, these hidden movements that are happening that we overlook in everyday life. My purpose is to find these movements in everyday life and attach sounds to them to create these rhythms. Either it may make a sound, it may make a beat, and it may not, and that's okay. Just as long as we see that even in the little things, rhythm does exist right beneath our ears.